In today's ever-changing world, you need a partner with the scope and scale to deliver the breadth of fire protection coatings you need. From the earliest design phases to construction, refurbishment and maintenance, Sherwin-Williams provides a full range of coatings, plus the unrivaled expertise to help select the most appropriate coatings and integrate them into the building design. Our comprehensive product range also comes with the unrivaled support of our industry-leading subject matter experts. Suitable for application off-site or on-site, before, during or after construction. We work with you at every step to ensure the right coatings are selected to provide safe, efficient and cost-effective fire protection. That means that as building use changes and different levels of protection are required, you can be assured of the right guidance and product solutions from a single supplier. Sherwin-Williams specification experts can work with project partners to ensure the selected coatings are suitable to meet the changing demands of modern-day buildings. We also have environmental product declarations to allow the project team to evaluate the sustainability of the coating system, as well as specialist fire protection coatings for concrete and wood. Whatever the material and wherever it is used, from commercial to retail, from leisure to residential buildings, there is a Sherwin-Williams coating perfect for the job. Visit our website to discover the value Sherwin-Williams can bring to your project.